Momshies, so today I thought I would do something different, something na lagi yung nire-request sa comments kung ano yung pinapakain namin sa mga kids. So I have filmed a few of these food ideas na patok sa mga kids ko, and the first one is this colorful fries. It's made up of different vegetables na kailangan na namin i-dispose of. At siniserve ko siya with regular fries and mayonnaise para makain din nila together with their favorite fries. Maganda rin magkaroon ng bell pepper kasi bell pepper is very good with vitamin C. And sometimes pag gutom talaga sila, nauubos nila kasama ng regular fries ang kanilang different other fries na nasa table na siniserve ko. So I serve them both together para masanay sila na nandyan yung mga gulay. Yum. Yum. It's yummy.
Let's dip it.
Let's dip it in the mayonnaise.
And eat it.
And eat it. Is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
So hey Momshies, this time we're gonna make pizza for toddlers or pizza for kids. And I'll show you the ingredients. And si Dada ang ating head chef. Hi Dada.
Hello.
Look at you, so sexy na oh. Ayan. So this is frozen pizza dough na bili niya sa Save More, right?
Save More.
Then bumili siya ng pepperoni. Oh my gosh. Swerte naman ang mga batang to. Pizza sauce! And ang maganda sa kanya, pwede lang siya dito sa pan. Hindi mo kailangan ng oven. And then bumili din si Dada ng quick melt na cheese. Ayan, quick melt cheese. Ito pa yung ibang napamili namin. Microgreens, may Italian version yung pizza sauce. Konting ano lang to, konting grocery. Wraps. Banana ketchup. Quick melt. And mustard. Mustard. And Knorr. Anyways, this is uy, may ano pala tayo, bell pepper oh, pwede ito sa pizza.
We try to find our ways in life to give our hearts and soul a peace of mind, but you just wanna drink your wine and grab the glass and let it go down. But I can't hold you any longer. I can cope 'cause you're a storm. I wake up feeling even smaller, even when the storm is over. Was it all?
Wow, look at that. See this one?
Kahit hindi natakpan eh.
Oh. You want to eat? Oh, get na. It's not hot anymore. Right? Oh, is it yummy? Kuya, have some pizza. Want pizza? Come here. Eat na pizza. Quack, quack. Come here. Sit down, sit down. Sit down here. This is your pizza, River. Sit down.
It's a real one.
Wanna bite?
It's a small one. It's a baby pizza.
It's a pizza for you. Oh, pizza. Do you like it? Where are you going? Oh, may bumalik. May nagbalik. Yes. I-blow, i-blow. Aba, may bumabalik-balik dito, oh. May bumabalik-balik. Winner, Dada, winner. Oo. They love it. Hey, Momshies. Today, gagawa tayo ng breakfast ng mga bata. I'm gonna do bacon and banana waffles for them. So, tara! Let's do this! Okay, so ito ang ingredients natin. Sa bacon. Bacon? Pipirituhin ko lang dyan. Sa waffle, meron tayong imamash na banana. And 2 egg. Pancake mix. Oil. Some water. And itong oil na to, bumili ako ng brush. Para mababrush ko lang yung oil dito. And bumili pala ako ng mini waffle maker. I so love this, guys. Kasi sakto yung size niya sa toddler. Diba? Hindi siya ganun kalaki. Anyways, kung wala kayo nito, you could still cook here as pancake naman. Pancake version. So, yan. Let's do this.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
Wow! Itong waffle, oh! Kinuha mo talaga yung waffle, oh. You eat na. How about you, Kuya? Eat the bacon? Oh, wow! Bacon and waffles. Yes. Oh, eat na, anak. You like it? Oh, finally, kumain ka na ng waffle, Hello! Ay, so cute naman yan. Yes. River, you eat also? Yes. Bacon, yes. You like the bacon, Kuya? You like it?
I have plate.
Oh, yes. Oh, you eat your breakfast there, You get there, Waffle.
I'm a cake.
You're making a cake. Oh, you eat the bacon waffle. Oh. Bacon na nakagat. Oh, sarap. Oh, sarap naman, Momshies, kinap ko yung waffle para mas madali nilang kainin. Inuuna nila, kumakain ng waffle, Waffle! So, yung pinaglutuan ni bacon, nilalagyan ko siya ng water and dishwashing. Tapos, pag kumulo na siya, ito, nakakapatanggal ng mga nakadikit sa kanya. Ayan. Para sa mga non-stick pans. Learned this from Dada. Momshies, meron tayong leftover carrots here and leftover cherry tomatoes. Ito, masisira na. We're gonna make something out of these for the kids and the mama. Ayan. So, I plan to... Ayan. So, ikakat ko lang siya ng maliliit. The fourth thing naman na gagawin ko, mga momshies, is itong mga tira-tirang gulay namin. I'm gonna make it into a veggie taco kasi meron pa kaming pita bread. So, there are many other things na gagawin ko dito sa tira-tirang gulay na to aside from the colorful fries. Itong veggie taco and also ihahalo ko siya sa Lumpia, Shanghai. So, para mas maging veggie yung ating lumpia. And, ayun. So, sayang kasi sobrang dami nila. Pero itong cucumbers, okay ito sa taco. I'm just using this wrap over here. Oh, guys. Wanna try the food mama made? It's yummy. It's taco. It has cheese. There's cheese inside. It's The next recipe I'd like to share is our veggie lumpia Shanghai. It's mainly made of different vegetables na shredded and then mga tirang ulam, like for example longganisa or tirang meat. Hinahalo ko na dito and ginagawa ko siyang another set of ulam. The key here is to make it into a crispy lumpia Shanghai. At sabi sa YouTube is dapat open lang yung ating lumpia and we can cut it to small pieces para pag prinito natin sila, it's gonna be really crispy. So, yun yung mga different techniques na nakita ko online and tikmay ko okay naman siya. And serve this with rice and ketchup. Sobrang patok din to sa mga kids.
When we were at the hospital, isa sa mga kinain ni Rain sa mga sinerve nila is itong Baguio Beans. And then, sobrang simple lang siya. It's just ginisa with garlic and salt and oil. So, if you could use olive oil, better kasi healthy fats yun. So, ito lang yun. Konti lang yung niluto ko for this batch. And actually, marami nang nakain si Kuya River tsaka si Rain. So, ayan. I forgot na I was filming their mga foods pala na mga kinakain nila. Trinay ko muna ipatok sa kanila. Actually, masarap siya. Ayan. Since fresh yung Baguio Beans, masarap and healthy din to. This is rich in iron and fiber. And sabi nung doktor namin, nung nagpa-CBC si Ray, nung na-hospital kami is, kailangan niya ng more iron sa diet. So, ayan. We're adding more iron sa diet. Oh my God. Another version with parmesan cheese. Ayan. Very good, Kuya. Eat na yan. Hanggang skyflex na. And bite the Baguio Beans. Bite. Where are you going, Rain? It was only a dream. Oh. One bite. One small bite, please. Very good. Come here, eat your beans. Come here, eat your beans. No. Come here, baby boo. Put on your shades, come on. Kuya loves it. Oh, Kuya is eating it, oh. Oy! Handsome boy naman yan. Hello, Buzz Lightyear. Hi. Come on, bite the beans, Buzz Lightyear. Si Kuya ang nagbabite. Oh, very good, oh. Yeah.
Calm down.
Yeah. How about you, River? Is it yummy? Is hot? Blow? Is hot? Wow! It's